I know y'all see that title. I know y'all see it. Listen, y'all better come and get y'all one of these. What's that? A new mindset. What's up, y'all? It's Gabrielle Marie up in the year 2023. This is my second video of the year. So happy to have you guys back. If you're back, welcome back. If not, welcome, and please do your girl a favor, like, subscribe, do all that down below. I referred to this video before in my previous video about why and where I'm taking this channel and what's going on. So if you haven't seen that, go and watch that video. It's about my birth control journey and everything that I went through and how now I'm going through another journey to get me back. Just for starters, just letting you know, I've been off the pill for 4 months now. Losing weight has been easier now. It was a struggle before because I wasn't losing weight at all. Even if I was eating right, drinking nothing but water, which I'm still doing, drinking nothing but water, and no cheat days, no nothing. For a whole month I would try to lose weight, and then at the end of it, it's like I didn't gain some weight. And so it was like, okay, this is not working out for me. But now that I'm off the pill, I feel so much better. I feel my bloat has gone down. When I tell y'all I felt bloated everywhere, like my arms just felt bloated, my chest felt bloated, my stomach felt bloated, like everything just felt bloated. But now, since I've been off the pill, I have been seeing that go down. So happy, so happy, so thankful that it's going down. With this new mindset of mine, I'm taking the full advantage of having a better attitude about my weight and life in general, my mental and all of that. So now I have more of a I can do this mentality. I can get the weight off. I can be a better version of me. In my previous video, I was mentioning how my mindset was just gone. I lacked confidence. I just couldn't do it. I felt like I couldn't do anything, or everything I tried to do would fail. Now that that's going out the way, I'm getting back to me slowly but surely. And my mindset is now, okay, I can do it. Just take your time and do it. Like, you don't have to rush and get to the goal. Just go ahead and take the journey to get to the goal. So my mindset went from, okay, I need to lose this much weight before this certain date, to now, let's take this 1 month at a time. To take it 1 month at a time, let me take it 1 week at a time. To let me take it 1 day at a time. So I will plan for every 2 weeks, every time I get paid, I would plan what I needed to do, my foods, my exercises, all of that. And just once I got that down, day by day, and that's been helping me. So I see what I need to do that day, check it off, and it feels so good to check it off when I'm done. And if I do mess up, I'm like, okay, just get back on it. You don't have to mess up and have to wait for a whole another month or a whole year to start back over. No, just, you feel it, go ahead, do what you need to do. And now, like I said, also I'm more in tune with my body. So now it's like when I do bad, my body tells me and I listen. So that's what this video is going to be about, how I pretty much lost 15 pounds in 1 month, and I'm still going strong. And I'm just going to show you and tell you my tips and tricks and what I've done. First off, I need to start by saying, if you're looking for a lose weight quick video, this ain't it. You might want to go ahead and click out, like, for real. I'm done with that trying to lose weight quickly type deal. No, we're not doing that over here. We're trying to sustain and maintain. I'm going through the process as I'm doing these videos. So this is my process right now, and y'all are watching me go through my process. So week by week or month by month, when I do updates, you'll be able to see the progress. Also, I'm not a dietitian. I'm not telling you what you need to do. I'm telling you what I did in order to get to where I am right now, and the different changes that I'm making that's actually helping me and it's working for me. If it's something that is questionable, you may need to consult your doctor, dietitian, nutritionist. So I'm just letting y'all know this is from my experience. Don't have to be yours, but I'm just letting you know what I did and what's working for me. All right. The first thing that I did was I changed my mindset. I started when my mindset was ready to start. That's like a huge part, because if you start just to say you're gonna start, 9 times out of 10, you'll probably quit. I finished my pill probably at the end of February, beginning of March-ish. I wasn't ready for my mind to be disciplined yet. So I did what I needed to do in order for my body and my mind to transition from being on the pills to off the pills. So I wasn't eating healthy, I wasn't exercising, I wasn't doing any of that during that time. So I gave myself about a month to just do my research, do what I needed to do in order to get my mind ready, wanting to be healthier for myself. Because I did that and did whatever I wanted to do and all that stuff within a month and all that, my highest weight was 239 pounds. I'm 5'8". That's not necessarily healthy, and I started seeing it in different parts of my body. I'm gonna show you my weigh-ins, and I'm gonna also show you like what I did as far as foods and different things like that. Number 2, I would say, is the plan. During that time, I researched my calorie deficiency, what I needed to be at, and exercises that were okay with me. So let me tell y'all, my knees are getting old. Okay, I'm not even necessarily doing workouts that's crazy hard. I'll start off with food though. So I decided that calorie deficiency was necessary for me. I've done it before and I know it worked. I basically went to calculator.net, I think it's called. Put in all your information. It'll ask you your height, your weight, your goal weight, how quickly you want to lose. Now, I don't recommend you doing it really quick because that could be harmful. Whatever works for you and whatever your doctor says works for you. Like what may work for me may not work for you. You might have some health issues afterwards. So just do what's right for you. Consult your doctor and nutritionist or whoever you need to consult in order to see what would be the best for you and how much weight you want to lose within a certain time period. I went on TikTok and Instagram and searched for certain recipes, even online. But what I realized is I actually like when they put how many grams of something to put in. So I got a food scale. Well, I've been having one. I'm just not using it. And I put that amount of grams of food to make sure I'm under my calorie deficiency. Also, if I made my goal, how I'm doing it is, okay, I was 239, so now I'm gonna try to work out of the 30s, basically. So I'm like, okay, once I get out of the 30s, I deserve a treat. Once I reached my goal, I was able to get something that I would like, but still be under my calorie deficiency, if that makes sense. So if I wanted Chick-fil-A, I would probably get a Chick-fil-A sandwich. You don't have to do it this way, but I decided to get a Chick-fil-A sandwich and probably do like a tea for breakfast or something light, fruit for breakfast, lunch, probably a smoothie, like a homemade smoothie, and get my Chick-fil-A for dinner. So I'm still in my calorie deficiency. That's what I'm doing. You don't have to do that, but I'm just saying that's what I did. And it's been working so far. And every now and then you have those days where you craving and you do bad, like I just did the other day. You'll see in the next video whenever I'm giving y'all the next month update or whatever. But you do have those days, but like I said, you just gotta tell yourself, okay, I slipped up that one time, no more. Let's get back to it in the morning. And you should be fine. So still with Instagram and TikTok, to make it easier, I told myself meal prepping would be the best too, so that I don't have to cook every single day. So I would find meals that had portions of like 4 or 3, and Instagram and TikTok makes it easier with the save button. So what I did was on Instagram, I have a collection of healthy meals for the week. 3 meals that I have for like 2 weeks or whatever, and I'll save it under that collection. And the same with TikTok, and if I find it online, I'll just print it out. Number 2, we're gonna talk about exercise. I'm not an exercise person. I don't do it, I don't like to do it. But I know it's part of the process. And it actually makes me feel good, but I just don't like it. I'm starting to learn to like it, but once I stop for a while, I'm like over it. So I am exercising every single day. You don't have to do this. So when I started off, I didn't start off exercising. I didn't start off eating healthy. But when I did start eating healthy and doing my calorie deficiency, I gave myself a week to not exercise, to get used to my body not having as much food as I used to. And then I started exercising. Grow with Joe videos is amazing here on YouTube. She has so many different types of exercises. And the one I fall in love with is Tabata, 20-30 minutes. And it's quick, and I think that's why I like it, and I've been seeing the most results doing the Tabata. And I would do maybe 2 times a week or 1 time a week. I would walk 4 miles. Also, before I used to tell myself, okay, you got to do this 1 video every single day. But now I changed my mindset to, as long as you're active for at least 30 minutes a day, you're good. Outside of work, walking, doing Grow with Joe. I also like And 8 Fitness, they're really good. And recently Mr. and Mrs. Muscle. That's pretty much the exercises that I'm on right now. I'm gonna change to like toning up and stuff later, but right now I'm just trying to drop the pounds. With that, the only days I don't do it is the week of my cycle, because I'm not on that level yet. I know a lot of people say it's better to do it during that time, but I'm not ready yet. So out of the month, I do every day, and that week, nothing. So like I said, alternate it to you. Just try to be active at least 30 minutes. You don't have to do it every day like I'm doing. I'm doing it for me. You do it for you, I'm doing it for me. Next, I want to talk about the devices that I'm using. I do have an Apple Watch and an app called My Net Diary. It basically had exactly what I needed for me to be able to put in the foods that I'm eating during the day. Every single thing I put in my body, I put in My Net Diary. And also it lets you customize it, how many calories, and if you want to do more protein, less carbs, less fat. For me, I wanted to do low carb, more protein, and fat to kind of finish it off. So more proteins than fats, then less carbs. What I started off at, which was 1,800 calories I can have in a day. And what I'm doing also is, once I get used to that 1,800 and I see myself not really eating that much, I'll go down. So I then went down to, well, first it was 1,850, then I went down to 1,800, and now I'm at 1,750. I'm probably about to go to 1,700, but I gotta give myself a week, like a few weeks, because right now I'm still feeling snacky. So I'm like, okay, keep my little 1,750 for right now, and then once I get the hang of it, then I'll drop to 1,700. So I'm doing it gradually, not all at once, so that my body doesn't feel that shock. And also, if you don't have an Apple Watch or a Fitbit or anything that tracks, they have different apps for that. I know my husband used Nike Run, but he has a watch now. He used Nike Run, and also within the app of My Net Diary, and no, I'm not sponsored by them, I just use them. They actually have a section in there where you can put in your exercises, or you can have it like track your walks too. So last but not least, I need y'all to hear me when I say this. I need y'all to hear me out. Why they want to cut the grass now? I'm making changes little by little. So if y'all see me pick up something that's not health conscious, don't say nothing. I know. I promise y'all, I know. I'm slowly changing out our food brands as we get better with our health and learn. Because I don't want to just throw everything away and waste money like that. I'm just not that type of girl. I don't like wasting stuff at all. You can ask my hubby, I don't like it at all. We slowly changing, we slowly getting the better, you know, options. That's basically it for this video. That's everything that I did, all my tips that I have that I did to lose the 15 pounds after the pill. And actually it was 16 pounds, and it was exactly a month I lost 16 pounds. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and be ready for this journey, because I'm gonna try to update you guys like once or twice a month, and I have some more videos coming for you guys with my hair, hair product, as well as skincare. So be on the lookout for that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.